Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Welcome back, dear students. Standard 5, Subject English Text. Today we are going to learn English, but what we are going to learn that will be a surprise for you. Now let's begin with pictures. Wow, nice cake. Yummy. Juice. Pastry. Ice cream. I love ice creams. Now, children, I know you all will like to have all these food items. Even I am feeling the same way. But here, you have to guess what is the common ingredient among all these food items. Yes, you were right. Strawberries. As we can see, all food items contain strawberries. Today we are going to learn topic strawberries. The garden strawberry is a widely grown hybrid species and collectively known as the strawberries, which are cultivated worldwide for their fruit. The fruit is widely appreciated for its characteristic aroma, bright red color, juicy texture, and sweetness. Now let's start with our poem. Strawberries that in gardens grow are plump and juicy fine. But sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. No need for bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream, has the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling stream. Let's see the meaning of first stanza of the poem. Strawberries that in gardens grow are plump and juicy fine, but sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. The strawberries which are grown in garden are juicy and plump. Plump means full rounded in shape. One of its variety, woodland strawberry, is sweeter than many other types of strawberries and grown by climbing on other trees. Woodland means land with lot of trees or shrubs. Let's see the meaning of some important words. Plum, having a full rounded shape. As we can see in the picture also, the strawberries are plump. Woodland, land with lot of trees. The another word has come here in the first stanza is vine. Vine means any type of plant that climbs or grows along the ground and has twisting stem. For example, grapes vines. You can see in picture, and even the other example is ivy vines. Let's move to the second stanza of the poem. No need for bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream, has the wildberry plucked in June beside the trickling stream. Strawberry is very simple fruit and no knife or spoon or bowl is required to peel, cut and eat the fruit. It is so sweet and delicious that nothing like sugar, spice or cream is required with it. Wild strawberries are usually cultivated beside the slowly flowing stream and get picked off during late summers. Trickling means flowing slowly. Strawberries are bright red in color. It is beneficial for health and improves the blood flow. Strawberries are consumed as juices, ice creams, or as jam on bread. It helps in curing cough and cold and make our skin shine. Now let's see some benefits of strawberries. Boosts immune system, prevents heart disease, reduces aging process, help to stimulate the burning of fat, reduces blood pressure, help with maintaining healthy skin. We must have fruits in our diet for our health as it is very healthy. Why do we need to eat fruits? So let's see. Fruit is nutritious, colorful, and flavorful. Most fruits are naturally low in fat, sodium, and calories. Fruits provide many essential nutrients to our body. Eating more fiber rich, low calorie fresh fruit in place of higher calorie foods can help decrease your overall calorie intake. Bananas give us energy. Pineapples help fight arthritis. Kiwis increase bone mass. Mangoes protect against several kinds of cancer. Watermelon helps control your heart rate. Strawberries can potentially fight against cancer. Peaches are rich in potassium, fluoride, and iron. Cherries help calm your nervous system. Grapes relax your blood vessels. Blueberries protect your heart. So, dear children, we all must eat fruits. Children, we are done with our poem. Now it's time for homework. So, get ready with your pen and book, and you have to find out the answer for the questions. So, here is your first question. Find all rhyming words from the poem. Grow no, fine wine, and from second stanza, spoon June, cream stream. These are the rhyming words. Now see the question number 2. Which strawberries are plump and juicy? The strawberries which grown in gardens are plump and juicy. Now let's see the next question. Which strawberries are sweeter? Strawberries that spring from woodland vine are sweeter. Fourth question. How would you like to eat your strawberries? Now this question all of you have to write your own, as everyone have their own style of eating. So may some of you would like to have strawberries with cream or spice or anything else. So you have to write what the way you like to have your strawberries. So write this answer in your book. So students, I hope you enjoyed this video lesson. See you soon. Till the time, keep learning new things every day. Be safe, be happy, enjoy your learning.